the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been real bad. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Down in the dirt. Down in the dirt. Down in the dirt.
Hi guys, welcome to Dual Realis. My name is David Swendseid and I have a topic of discussion that several people have asked me to do a while ago, and we're finally getting around to it, and I apologize. This bait has been out for quite a while now and has had star-studded entrance into tournament fishing. I want to talk about the G87, and actually we have two sizes in the G87, or two different models I should say. The body sizes are actually the same, exactly the same. The difference is in the lip, and you'll see here one, if I don't get unhooked here, it's gonna take a second. You'll see one that has a bigger lip than the other. This is the G87 20A, and this one right here is the G87 15A. Respectively speaking, the 15A will dive 15 feet and the 20A will dive 20 feet. I wish you guys luck, and stay tuned for a few more lure orientations that we'll take you through. Take care.
I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been